Hey everyone, welcome back to the Custom Cones USA channel. Gina here, and today I'll be going over the answers to the most asked questions about our custom and stock display boxes. We have a wide variety of options for your pre-roll display needs to cover, so let's jump right into it. What types of display boxes does Custom Cones USA offer? We are happy to offer 3 types of display boxes for merchandising your pre-rolls, all of which can be further customized to suit your needs. The 3 main types are acrylic dispenser displays, paper-based gravity displays, and our upright point-of-purchase display boxes. Let's take a look at each type. First up, our unbranded gravity-style display boxes are a popular choice for customers that want a display that resembles the grab-and-go style you see in retail stores. We keep these in stock in both black and white, but you can always work with us on a fully printed and customized display. These hold about 75 doob tubes depending on the tube size. We also offer more traditional point-of-purchase style displays, oftentimes called POP displays. Unlike the gravity style, which has the drawer style with the tubes laying down, this style holds your product upright. We keep these display boxes in stock in both black and white, and we also stock inserts that hold your tubes upright and secure. Keep in mind, the insert is size specific, so you'll want to make sure your tubes will fit. We have different inserts for pop-top tubes and glass tubes. These POP style displays keep your tubes tightly secured, making them the best option for glass tubes if you are also shipping product in these displays. The inserts keep the glass tubes in place rather than jostling around as they would inside the gravity style displays. Our stock options come in 2 sizes, a 12-pack and a 20-pack, depending on how many tubes you want per display. The 12-pack has a rounded top and sloping sides, whereas the 20-pack has a square top and raised sides. Other options can be fully customized with printing, but you can always start out with unbranded options using stickers to quickly, easily, and affordably add branding. All these display options can be used as a shipper display box, which is a box you can both ship in and display product in. For example, you would pack your filled tubes into the display and pack these into a cardboard shipping box. Now, when your dispensary stores receive your pre-rolls, all they need to do is open the displays up and set them on the shelf. Using display boxes like this makes the dispensary's job easier, so they will love ordering your product. Also, giving your retail partners displays encourages them to give you a better shelf space, which boosts your sales and increases your brand awareness. It's a win-win for both you and the retailer. Lastly, we also offer acrylic display dispensers that will seamlessly blend into any sales environment. These displays are equipped with clips that hook into any standard slat wall or grid style wall. If you have slat walls in your dispensary, these will slide right in and instantly bring pre-rolls eye level with your customers, which is statistically shown to increase your sell-through rate. We stock these acrylic display dispensers in 2 sizes. The large size is taller and holds 100 tubes, and the shorter version holds 50 tubes, depending on the size of your tubes. These displays are easily customizable with stickers, but we suggest using magnets to easily and quickly swap out brands or strains. We can also work with you on custom printed acrylic displays so they match your brand or dispensary's look and feel. Displays like this are proven to move product faster, and they also make it easier for your bud tenders to grab and restock product. You can put sale items on display to move through them quicker, and you can even incentivize companies to give you better pricing in exchange for this more premium placement in your retail store. Are your display boxes customizable? Absolutely. You can customize our cardboard-based display boxes in nearly every way, from printing on the box in full color to picking the finish and even customizing the size of the boxes. We also offer embellishments like spot UV printing, gold, or other colored foil detailing, and more specific touches to help your pre-roll products stand out on the dispensary shelf. Our acrylic displays come in 2 sizes, but we can also offer custom sizes and add full color printing directly on the displays. For more details on how you can customize any of our display boxes or to place an order, reach out to a pre-roll expert today. What is the MOQ and lead time for custom display boxes? The lead time for custom pre-roll display boxes ranges from 4 to 6 weeks and require a minimum order quantity of 500 units. Production requires at least 2 to 3 weeks time, and up to 2 more weeks should be allotted for transit. For the most accurate fulfillment estimate times, please reach out and check with us. And remember, if you need display solutions fast, and we have unbranded stock options ready to ship straight from our Washington warehouse with no minimum order quantities or additional lead times needed. Do Custom Cones USA display boxes ship assembled or flat? Acrylic dispensers ship fully assembled and ready to hook right into your retail wall, but our cardboard-based pre-roll display boxes are shipped flat. Thankfully, both styles are very easy to assemble quickly. All you need to do is fold and tuck the box together, pull out the dispensing tab or place in the insert, and you have a ready-to-fill display box in a matter of seconds. Are your display boxes recyclable? Yes, our pre-roll display boxes are made of recyclable paper and can be recycled in most locales via curbside recycling once the boxes are broken down. Our pre-roll display boxes are also sturdy enough that they lend themselves well to reusability in dispensaries, so they don't need to be a single use. Acrylic is hard to recycle, but our acrylic displays are designed to be used for years and lend themselves well to any retail environment with their transparent color and clean look. How many pop-top tubes do your display boxes hold? While we can offer custom sizing on any of our display options, we offer a variety of sizes in stock. Our upright POP display boxes come in either a 12-hole or 20-hole size, and our POP gravity display boxes hold about 75 pop-top tubes apiece. Our classy acrylic dispensers come in a short size that holds 50 doob tubes and a tall version with a 100 tube capacity. The exact quantity depends on the size of tube used. Does Custom Cones USA offer display boxes for other products besides pre-roll packaging? Of course. We offer custom display boxes for all of our packaging options. This includes our push packs, pre-roll tins, other multi-packs, any size pre-roll tube, and even for custom rolling paper booklets. To learn more or get started on a custom display box order of any kind, you can simply fill out the contact form on our website and a pre-roll expert will be in contact with you. When you want a stunning custom project, whether it's a unique display box or a custom label you can apply on all your products, you know you can expect quality when you partner with the pre-roll experts at Custom Cones USA. Give us a call and let's make your custom project happen. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay in the know on packaging options for everything pre-roll.